Good morning and welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. I have my coffee and it's still morning. It's a miracle. I am here on time this morning. Well, it depends on how fast my video loads up. But I hope you all had a great weekend. I had a weekend, but it's going to get better. It's a brighter day. It's a new day. It's hot as blazes out here, and I know many of you are suffering from the same heat that we are here in the South. So, I did do some crafting this weekend. I did some projects and stuff that I needed to get done. I made some little paper clips, and I'll be showing those to you for my 12 paper clips of 2019. And with Miss Lollipalooza in her Facebook group. And I actually made some more cards but this weekend because I had some papers and stuff left over. Now, if you missed my live Thursday night, we made this beautiful card here, a little pop-up card. Well, this is not the one I made on camera. This is the little one I made for prototype. And then I made this one. This one was for a friend. But then, I said if you would like to have my prototype, which was this one, to, let me know, and I would send it to one of the first people who asked for it. Well, then I had other people that want it, and I just felt bad. So I actually made this one here. And it looks like this, with the little butterflies. And then I made this one right here. And it has butterflies and stuff on it as well. And so for the 3 people that really wanted one of these cards, each one of you are going to get one. I don't know when they're going out because I have to have money to mail them off, and right now I don't have it. So, but I will be sending them to you eventually. So, what else is going on this week? Well, I do not have a Dollar Tree haul for you right now, but I may do that. I may go to Dollar Tree, my main one that I shop at all the time, and do a shop with me on, well, I'll have to see how that looks. For some reason, some of the stores are getting funny about videotaping in the stores now, so I wasn't able to do a video that I had wanted to do for you. And so I'm going to try another Dollar Tree and see how that works out for me. I have a survey coming up today for Thursday Night Live. And be like last week, I'm going to put some projects up that you would like to see me do live. And you can vote on those, and then I'll let you guys know Thursday what we're going to be doing. You can always go to my community tab and check out check it out and see. So be watching for that. If you're subbed to me and you haven't tapped the bell to get all notifications, go ahead and do that, because that way hopefully you'll be able to get notified when it comes up. Maybe, maybe not. We'll keep our fingers crossed. So I may or may not have a project for you this week. It's going to be light week on videos this week because I'm trying my best to get some things done, and I got a lot going on in my personal life, and so I'm trying to figure out trying to figure out some things going on. So anyway, I guess we'll just see what happens this week. So for sure, I know that I have these videos up today. I will have my daily devotions up every day this week. Tomorrow, hopefully, I will have a Shop With Me at Dollar Tree video. We'll just see how it goes. On Wednesday, I don't have a video. Yes, I do have a video planned. I'm going to be doing my 12 paper clips of 2019. Thursday, I'll have Thursday Night Live for you, and like I said, check out the survey to let me know what you would like to see me do. And then Friday, I think I'm going to have a keto living video for you, But guys, if you've not checked out my other channel, which is hashtag my keto journey, please go over there and check it out. I have some new recipes up, and sometime today I'll have my grocery haul and my meal plan up for you. And I'll be doing some recipes from that this week as well. And don't forget about the little oils that I have on sale. The trio, which is the lemon, peppermint, and lavender oils. I have these beautiful little kits. It's an introductory kit to essential oils, and you get all 3 of those oils for $25 shipped. You have to get them through me, and because doTERRA won't honor that price, of course. They're normally $26.99 for the kit, plus $3.99 shipping, plus the tax on that. So you're getting about, $6, $7 off, because I'm offering them for $25 shipped. It really helped me out, guys. If you're interested in any of those oils and stuff, to go ahead and give that introductory kit a try. And then if you want to order anything else, it's 20% off. So through me, not through doTERRA, because doTERRA won't honor that price. Also, with the month of August approaching, if you've considered or haven't thought about doing the Crafty Club, please consider doing that. I'll leave that link below in the description box. The only thing that I have changed on the $5 level, you get the videos and you get an ATC card. So I added the ATC card to the $5 level. So please consider doing that. Seriously, I'm getting to the point where it's going to be hard to craft if I don't do something pretty soon or make videos or anything, because y'all pray for a job for me. That's all I can just say. So that's pretty much it for the week. So I know I seemed scattered this morning, and I apologize for that. Trying to get my thoughts together here, and it's slow coming. So I haven't had enough of this yet. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and always supporting my channel. I love each and every one of you. You don't know how much I appreciate your support, and because I really do. Alright guys, I will see you all tomorrow morning for another daily devotion, and hopefully a Shop With Me Dollar Tree video. Have a beautiful, blessed day, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.